Okay, brothers. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is the course parallel and distributed system and assignment session 5. Okay, here we are to create a server and try to test multi-threading. Like to understand multi-threading, it's like example like a radio station. You have a server, a tower, and other stations will be connected to the same server. When a message is broadcast in the main server, all the other stations will receive the message at the same time. So here in this application, we have two main components. That is the server, which is this one here, as you can see. Here is the code of it. And you have the client, like that could be the stations. Okay, now here we will run the server. When we run the server, then we try to connect this thing, how to connect the client to it and communicate and see how it works. So we open our terminal. We open a terminal and we try to run the server. Okay, this is the server. Now the server is running and waiting for clients to connect. Let's try to connect a client. We will, to connect a client, we will open another new terminal. Here is a new terminal, as you can see. And let's try to connect it to the server. Okay, you see it is connected to the server, as you can see. I hope, brothers, you are seeing, right? Hello? Okay. So here you will have new client is connected. That is total clients is 1. Now we will try to this thing, open another new terminal and connect a new client. Another client is connected. Let's connect another one so that it can be 3 clients. So here we connected 3 clients. You see total clients is 3. We have connected 3 clients to the main server. And now to communicate to the clients, we will try to send message from the server to the clients, and you will see it will be delivered to both of them at once. Here we said, hello.
So the client, they all will receive the message at the same time.
Yeah, welcome to the server. Okay, you see now we have wrote a message, hello, welcome to the server, right? We will enter it, and it is broadcasted to 3 clients. Hello, welcome to the servers. You see, in the first client here, we have hello, welcome to the server. The second client also, it is there. And the third client, the same thing applies. So this is how it works basically. This is how multi-threading works. Now to quit or to close this thing, how to call it, the main server, we will just write quit, sorry. And let's enter. You see all the servers are disconnected. All the clients are disconnected from the main server. Sorting down, it says sorting down server, client disconnected, 0, total client is 0, client disconnected. So all of the clients are disconnected. These codes you are seeing here These ones you are seeing here are the reference connecting points of the clients. So, but they are all disconnected. So basically, this is how the application works. I hope you guys get it right.
Yeah, I get it. I get it.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much, brothers. And that is all for this this thing, how to call it, presentation.